Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Calm. You would go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above. You can search about Calm app. In this list of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm. If you find updated, then you can update your app, just bell, like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your. Then you can update your app, just bell, like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your.